Did you know the human body holds secrets more fascinating than science fiction? From the intricate workings of our cells to the immense power hidden within our muscles, we are marvels of nature. In this video, we'll embark on a journey through the cosmos of the human body, uncovering 10 astonishing facts that will leave you in awe. Join me, Ariam Perez, on Healthy Secrets, where we explore the wonders of our bodies and learn how to live healthier, more vibrant lives. We'll be highlighting the extraordinary diversity of human bodies across ages, ethnicities, and backgrounds, because the story of the human body is the story of all of us. Before we dive in, remember to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on future explorations. Prepare to unlock the marvels within. Our first stop takes us to a small but mighty wonder, the human tongue. This seemingly simple muscle, often taken for granted, is actually the strongest in the human body for its size. Yes, you heard that right. It's like the unsung hero of our daily lives. Think about it. The tongue is essential for speaking, helping us form words and communicate with the world around us. And let's not forget its crucial role in eating. The tongue maneuvers food in our mouths, helping us chew and swallow. It even plays a vital role in our sense of taste, allowing us to savor the flavors of our favorite foods. All this from an organ that's less than 4 inches long. The tongue's strength lies in its intricate network of muscle fibers, which allow for incredible flexibility and precision of movement. These fibers are arranged in a crisscross pattern, giving the tongue a wide range of motion and the ability to generate surprising force. But the tongue's strength isn't just about brute force, it's also about endurance. Think about how much your tongue moves throughout the day, from talking to eating to swallowing. It's a testament to its remarkable stamina. So next time you take a bite of your favorite food or engage in a lively conversation, take a moment to appreciate the incredible power of your tongue. It's a small muscle with a big impact on our daily lives. Now let's dive deep into the hidden architecture of our bodies, our bones. These aren't just rigid structures holding us upright, they're living, growing testaments to nature's ingenuity. You might be surprised to learn that human bones are incredibly strong. In fact, pound for pound, they're tougher than concrete. The secret to their strength lies in their remarkable composition. Bones are a composite material, meaning they're made up of different components that work together to create an incredibly durable structure. Imagine a skyscraper, carefully engineered with steel for strength and concrete for its ability to withstand compression. Bones are similar, but instead of steel and concrete, they're made up of collagen and calcium phosphate. Collagen is a protein that provides flexibility and tensile strength, kind of like the steel rods in our skyscraper analogy. Calcium phosphate, on the other hand, is a mineral that gives bones their hardness and rigidity. It's like the concrete that provides the skyscraper's compressive strength. This unique combination of flexibility and hardness makes bones incredibly resistant to both impact and stress. Think about it. Our bones support our weight, allow us to move and protect our vital organs day in and day out. They're subjected to enormous forces, yet they rarely break. That's a testament to their incredible strength. Hold on tight as we journey into the depths of our digestive system, where we encounter a truly mind-boggling fact. The human stomach contains acid potent enough to dissolve metal. It's like having a superpower right beneath our ribs. Imagine the corrosive power of battery acid. That's the kind of intensity we're talking about. The primary culprit in this chemical cauldron is hydrochloric acid, a highly corrosive substance that plays a crucial role in breaking down food. It's so powerful that it can dissolve not only food, but also materials like razor blades. Though we certainly don't recommend testing that at home. But before you swear off ever eating again, rest assured, our stomachs are cleverly designed to handle this potent acid. The stomach lining is coated with a special layer of mucus that acts as a protective barrier, preventing the acid from burning through the stomach wall. Think of it as a suit of armor for your stomach. shielding it from the corrosive power of the acid within. This mucus layer is constantly being replenished to ensure our stomachs stay protected. But hydrochloric acid isn't alone in its digestive mission. The stomach also produces other enzymes like pepsin, which work in tandem with the acid to break down proteins into smaller, more digestible molecules. It's a complex chemical symphony, all orchestrated to transform the food we eat into energy and nutrients. Get ready to have your mind blown as we venture into the control center of our existence, the human brain. This 3-pound organ with its intricate folds and billions of neurons is more complex than the most advanced supercomputer, and its storage capacity, a staggering 2.5 million gigabytes. That's like having enough space to store every single episode of your favorite TV show ever created, and then some. To put that into perspective, imagine trying to fill up a hard drive with that much data. It would take an enormous amount of time and effort. Yet our brains manage to store and access this vast amount of information effortlessly. But the brain isn't just about storage capacity, it's about processing power. Every second, our brains are bombarded with sensory information, sights, sounds, smells, tastes, and touch. The brain filters through this constant stream of data, making sense of the world around us, and allowing us to react accordingly. And don't forget about the brain's role in our emotions, memories, and thoughts. It's the seat of our consciousness, the place where we make decisions, dream big dreams, and experience the world in all its complexity. The human brain is truly a marvel of nature, a testament to the power of evolution and the incredible potential that lies within each and every one of us. Our next stop takes us on a sensory journey through the olfactory system, where we uncover the incredible power of the human nose. While often overlooked, our sense of smell is far more acute than we realize. In fact, the human nose can distinguish between a staggering 50,000 different scents. That's like having a superpower for identifying aromas. Think about the last time you walked past a bakery and were enveloped by the warm, inviting aroma of freshly baked bread. Or perhaps you recall the sweet fragrance of a loved one's perfume. These scents evoke memories, trigger emotions, and even influence our behavior. But how does the nose accomplish this feat of sensory mastery? It all starts with specialized cells called olfactory receptors, located high up in the nasal cavity. These receptors are like tiny locks, each designed to bind with specific odor molecules, like a key fitting into a lock. When an odor molecule enters the nose, it binds to its corresponding receptor, triggering a signal that travels along the olfactory nerve to the brain. The brain then interprets these signals as distinct smells. But the sense of smell isn't just about identifying pleasant aromas. It also plays a crucial role in our survival, alerting us to potential dangers like smoke, spoiled food, or gas leaks. Prepare for a journey into the microscopic world as we explore the fundamental building blocks of our body's cells. These tiny units of life are so small that thousands could fit on the head of a pin. Yet there are trillions upon trillions of them working tirelessly within us. In fact, the human body contains an estimated 37.2 trillion cells. That's more than all the stars in the Milky Way galaxy. To put that into perspective, if you were to lay all the cells in your body end to end, they would circle the Earth several times. It's a staggering number that highlights the incredible complexity and organization of the human body. But cells aren't just passive building blocks. They're dynamic, living entities, each with its own specific job to do. Like a well-coordinated team, different types of cells work together to keep us alive and functioning. There are muscle cells that contract to allow us to move, nerve cells that transmit signals throughout the body, and blood cells that carry oxygen and nutrients to our tissues. And don't forget about the immune cells, our microscopic warriors constantly defending us from harmful invaders like bacteria and viruses. It's a symphony of cellular activity, all orchestrated to maintain the delicate balance of life. Now let's rewind the clock and journey back to our infancy, a time when our bodies were undergoing remarkable transformations. You might be surprised to learn that babies are born with significantly more bones than adults. At birth, a baby's skeleton contains around 270 bones, compared to the 206 bones found in the adult human body. It's like a magical disappearing act. But instead of vanishing into thin air, these bones are merging together in a process called ossification. But why are babies born with extra bones in the first place? These additional bones, many of which are made of cartilage, provide flexibility during childbirth, allowing babies to pass through the birth canal more easily. It's nature's way of ensuring a smoother entry into the world. As babies grow, these cartilage bones gradually harden and fuse together, a process driven by cells called osteoblasts. These bone-building cells deposit minerals like calcium and phosphorus, transforming the soft, pliable cartilage into strong, rigid bone. By adulthood, this ossification process is largely complete, resulting in the 206 bones that make up the adult human skeleton. It's a testament to the incredible transformative power of the human body, constantly adapting and changing throughout our lives. Hold on tight as we embark on a thrilling ride through the circulatory system, powered by the tireless engine of the human heart. This fist-sized organ, often described as the pump of life, beats an average of 100,000 times per day, circulating a staggering 7,570 liters of blood throughout the body. That's enough to fill a small swimming pool. To put that into perspective, imagine trying to manually pump that much liquid in a single day. It would be an impossible task. Yet our hearts perform this Herculean feat day in and day out, without complaint, for our entire lives. But the heart isn't just a mindless pump. It's a finely tuned instrument, constantly adjusting its rhythm and output to meet the body's ever-changing demands. When we exercise, our hearts beat faster, delivering oxygen and nutrients to our working muscles. When we rest, our hearts slow down, conserving energy. This ability to adapt is crucial for our survival. The heart is responsible for transporting oxygen and nutrients to every cell in the body, while also removing waste products. It's a vital link in the chain of life, ensuring that our cells have the resources they need to function. Prepare to be dazzled as we delve into the captivating world of vision, where we uncover the remarkable ability of the human eye. These intricate organs, often described as windows to the soul, are capable of distinguishing between a breathtaking 10 million different colors. That's like having a built-in high-definition television. Think about the vibrant hues of a sunset, the intricate patterns of a butterfly's wings, or the countless shades of green in a lush forest. Our eyes allow us to perceive these colors in all their glory, transforming light into a symphony of visual information. But how does the eye accomplish this feat of color perception? It all starts with specialized cells called photoreceptors, located in the retina at the back of the eye. There are two main types of photoreceptors, rods and cones. Rods are responsible for our vision in low light conditions, while cones allow us to see color. Cones come in 3 varieties, each sensitive to a different range of wavelengths of light, red, green, and blue. When light enters the eye, it strikes these cones, triggering a signal that travels along the optic nerve to the brain. The brain then combines these signals like an artist mixing paints to create the perception of millions of different colors. Our final stop takes us to the tips of our fingers and toes, where we uncover a curious fact about our nails. While seemingly insignificant, our nails are constantly growing, with fingernails outpacing their counterparts on our feet. In fact, fingernails grow approximately 4 times faster than toenails. It's like a never-ending race where our fingers always win. But why the difference in growth rates? Several factors contribute to this phenomenon. One theory suggests that exposure to sunlight plays a role. Fingernails, being more exposed to the elements, receive more sunlight, which may stimulate cell growth in the nail matrix, the area where nail cells are produced. Another factor is blood circulation. Our hands, being more active than our feet, generally have better blood circulation, which delivers oxygen and nutrients to the nail matrix, promoting faster growth. Additionally, trauma or injury to the nail can also stimulate growth. Think about how often you accidentally bump or stub your fingers compared to your toes. These minor injuries can trigger a healing response that accelerates nail growth. While the exact reasons for the difference in growth rates remain a subject of scientific inquiry, one thing is certain: our nails are constantly renewing themselves, reflecting the ongoing cycle of growth and regeneration that characterizes the human body. From the strength of our tongues to the incredible storage capacity of our brains, we've journeyed through a universe of fascinating facts about the human body. We've explored the power of our stomachs, the sensitivity of our noses, and the sheer number of cells that make us who we are. We've also delved into the mysteries of disappearing bones, the tireless work of our hearts, the colorful world perceived by our eyes, and the curious case of our ever-growing nails. Which fact amazed you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Let's spread the wonder of the human body far and wide. Thank you for joining me on this adventure through the marvels of healthy secrets. Remember to subscribe for more intriguing explorations of the human body and how to live a healthier life. And be sure to check out the video description for links to natural and healthy products that can support your well-being. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders within.